Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia visited Gwalior Chambal to take part in a royal family tradition. He attended the Urs of Baba Mansoor Shah Aulia, the spiritual guide of the Scindia family. Scindia reached Devghar temple at Maharaj Wada Gorkhi Board at the shrine and offered prayer for blessing. The event drew large crowd as local gathered to witness the occasion and participate in prayers. His visit reflected respect for the family's long-standing spiritual customs and reinforced ties between tradition and public engagement. RSS Chief Dr. Mohan Bhagwat will visit Indore on September 13 for the fourth time this year. He is scheduled to release the book Parikrama written by Panchayat and Rural Development Minister Prahlad Patel. The event is expected to attract RSS workers, leaders and intellectuals from across the region. Bhagwat's repeated visited highlights Indore's growing importance in the organization activities. Preparations are underway to ensure large participation. The book launch is being seen as both a cultural event and a platform to strengthen organizational bond.
Samajwadi Party will conduct a two-day training camp in Khajuraho on September 19 and 20. The event is part of its strategy for the 2028 Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections. Around 500 selected workers from across the state will attend, receiving guidance from 10 senior leaders, including 4 MPs from Uttar Pradesh. The training will cover campaigning management, organizational skills and election planning. Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav is directly involved in strengthening the cadre and preparing the structured approach for future political battles.
In Mehar town, a newly built 4-kilometer road has been raised nearly 1 meter above ground level. As a result, rainwater drains into nearby homes and shops, causing flooding. Residents filed a public interest petition in the High Court, which has asked pointed questions about project approvals. The court has directed the municipality contractors and PWD to respond by September 24. Official now faces scrutiny as residents demand answer for the design flaw that has turned roads into hazards instead of providing relief. The Enforcement Directorate attached assets worth Rs 34.26 crore linked to Congress leader Vishal Agnihotri, also known as Golu, and 6 associates. The properties include flats, plots, farmland, cash and luxury foreign watches. Officials say the market value of these assets is nearly 4 times higher than recorded, pointing to large-scale illegal betting and money laundering. The crackdown sent shockwaves through political and business circle in Madhya Pradesh. Authorities continue investigating financial networks and tied to the betting and dabba trading racket. In Bhopal, Anandpura, Kokta area, 36 people have been issued notices for illegally occupying land belonging to the Animal Husbandry Department. Tehsildar Saurabh Verma asked for detailed explanation within 10 days. If responses are unsatisfactory, authorities plan strict action including bulldozer-led removal of commercial properties. The notices have created anxiety among occupants as enforcement steps begin. Officials are treating the matter seriously to reclaim public land and prevent further unauthorized construction. 5 gates of Tawa Dam in Narmadapuram districts were opened due to increased water inflow from recent rain. The monsoon has weakened, bringing rainfall only to select districts while others remain dry. The current pattern is expected to last until September 15, after which a stronger system may bring heavy rain statewide. Farmers are hopeful that the upcoming spell will help their crop and ease drought-like conditions. Authorities are closely monitoring dam levels and weather forecast to manage water release safely.